You don't have lube or Vaseline? Chapstick. Oh my gosh, that went so much easier.
That's what she said.
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to another video. Thanks for tuning in. The plan for today is to get an electronic box and a battery box onto my frame. And then all these electronics right here, I'm probably going to take it off this bracket. And I'm going to have an electronics tray right under here for those to fit in. So that's the plan. Hopefully we can finish that today. Yeah, stay tuned. Oh my God. Alright, so I've got the tray mostly worked out so far. This is where we're at right now. So I've got that like angle iron that I've got bolted to the sheet metal. And right now it's just sitting in here like pretty snug. I'm gonna bolt it to the frame. And then I just ordered an anti-gravity battery that will fit right here. But yeah, that's pretty much what that's gonna look like. But that's it for now. So stay tuned till the next video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'm also really close to 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do and help me get to that milestone. That would be so awesome. All right, cheers guys.